If you want to lose weight, you must consume fewer calories than you burn during the day. So let's look at this chart. The black line shown here is 1,800 calories, and this is the number of calories it takes an average person to function in the day. The base number of calories that you need each day is called your metabolic rate. This is the number of calories that your body needs to make your heart beat, for your mouth to speak, for you to brush your teeth, and for your brain to function so that you can think. It's the total energy or total number of calories that you burn to be able just to function each day. And by eating this amount of calories daily, you will maintain your current weight, neither gaining nor losing. Now, let's look at what happens if you either eat more than your metabolic rate or you eat less than your metabolic rate. The red line here is at 2,300 calories per day. And at 2,300 calories per day, this person is eating 500 more calories than she needs to maintain her current weight. And at 2,300 calories eaten a day, this person would gain about 1 pound per week. Now, how do I know that? Well, 1 pound equals 3,500 calories. Have you ever wondered what 1 pound of fat looks like? Well, this is a pound of fat. But another way that I want you to look at this is 3,500 calories, okay? So this extra 500 calories more a day times 7 days a week equals 3,500 calories per week, or 1 extra pound gained each week. On the other hand, if the person ate 1,300 calories a day, shown here as the green line, she would be eating 500 fewer calories than the 1,800 calories that she needed each day to function. And at 1,300 calories a day, this person would lose, not gain, about 1 pound per week. In this case, if you take the 500 fewer calories times 7 days, this would again equal the 3,500 calories. But 3,500 calories less, of course, equals a pound lost. Pretty simple. So knowing your personal metabolic rate, or the calories that you need to function each day, is very important if you want to lose weight.